in this video, we're going to go through an example how we can leverage the BLACKBOX AI Coding Agent to review some of the code changes that were done by a specific team member. And we can take a look here by looking at the open source Stripe Node SDK. In this branch, there was a specific commit that was done. And here, what we're going to do, we're going to simply leverage the BLACKBOX coding agent. And we can take a look at these Git commits. This is the specific commit that we want to review right now. And we're going to tell it, please review this. So this was already a change that was submitted, but now the agent is going to help us review it. So they want to review a specific Git commit with this here. So the commit information shows the commit message allowed data to be set in only post raw request, only allowed data to be set in post. Files changed are this and this. The changes shows the data in here, modified data assignment to only set in post, otherwise set it to null. In the test file, add a new test case. So this is a new test case for empty v2 get request body. Since the environment details shows a reasonable number of files, I should start by reading the relevant files. Okay, so now the agent is going through the key files. Now we're going to skim briefly through it, the review plan. Would you like me to proceed with this comprehensive code review? We're going to tell it yes. So the review plan is going to examine the logic, is going to assess if restricting to post only is appropriate and secure, API compatibility, verify this change aligns with HTTP standards. Okay, so this is good. So based on my analysis, here's my comprehensive review. So the code review, what changed? We can see it here. Yeah, this was the before, this was the after. So in terms of security and correctness review, the strength, HTTP semantics compliance aligns with standards. Okay, data leakage prevention, prevents accidental data transmission in URL. API consistency, okay. Potential concerns, breaking changes, risk, existing code, using raw request with data on will now receive null instead of data object, limited method support, only post is allowed, and but put and patch also commonly accept but request bodies. Okay, so API compatibility review. The changes appear to align with Stripe API design, where most data modifying operation use post. The V2 API test case suggests is typically needed for a newer API version. Okay, test coverage analysis. Assessment tests the specific scenario. Okay, verify success for requests without body. It's missing some things. Missing tests for other HTTP. Okay. No test for error scenarios or edge cases. Backward compatibility, potential breaking issues, mitigation, code quality review, clean code, readable conditional logic, okay, minimal change. And now also we're getting an overall score assessment. So a 7/10. We have some areas of improvement. Yeah. The change is fundamentally sound, but should be expanded to support put and patch methods, which commonly require request bodies. The test coverage should also be enhanced to cover all affected scenarios. So there we have this recommended to expand to put and patch. This would be more aligned with HTTP standards while maintaining the security benefits of the change. So this is a brief recap where you can pick any commit, pick any pull request, any change that was already submitted, and they can also do the code review on existing code files or folders. So it doesn't need to be things that were committed or pull requests. It can be a review that is general on the repo as well.